Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and I bother and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Na le tshino e qokile ithengelwe yimi. Na le sikolo saka Jesu.
Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Why? I think I'm fun to work with.
No, you're not.
I'm cute to look at.
No. You are beautiful to look at.
I'm a cute girl.
Namhlanje athuze nenye namhlanje.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you?
Hi.
Sorry to ambush you guys. I basically go around asking couples questions, ne? Would that be an issue for you guys? Just a couples quiz. My scat, you look like you've seen a ghost. Just 5 questions and then you guys can go.
Is it gonna take long?
No, literally just 5 seconds.
Baby Tin.
Why you don't want to be seen with your man on camera? Because by 2 amatot. Namahlon to be seen on camera.
No.
Girl, what's the issue? My Scott, what's the problem? You don't want to be seen with your man.
Oh, ngiyamthanda futhi nje angifuni ukuthi ngiyabona ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe angitshene ezinye izinto mhlawumbe engeke zizengiphathe kahle but nje ngithanda ukuthi nje lokho engikwaziyo ngihlezi ngikwazi nje. Yeah.
But it's not serious questions. We don't go in deep. It's a matter of where did you meet, how long have you been together, what's your favorite color. You understand, a mild thing.
Samuda said you can see it's a couple thing, you know.
It's a couple thing, and because
wanted
you turned
our time
into,
together.
I wanted to intervene. Because the single kaloku kanti sishumane yebo soloko asinanokwenza.
Hayibo.
Yes.
Yindaba ushime nje.
Dishimile amadoda awuphelile ndaba zaphelile amadoda.
Khona sazalwa namanje esibhedlela.
So nabo indoda yami ku grade 1 ik. Dilindile ikhule. By the time I'm 40 indoda yami noko izobe ina 20 into.
Hawu kahle sisi.
So ndimlindile. Ndimlindile.
Hayi angizwa le ndaba baby mina ngithi sambi.
Guys, have I not made you comfortable enough? Guys, ayini bethuna. So anifuna ulenduza. Udlala igame.
Mina right mina ngbo.
Listen, we ask you 3 questions each and then we put it on TikTok. If you don't like the video, we don't put it up. But we shoot it first so that you see what it looks like after. Do you get me?
Yeah. Kune prize na mawuthi angicheat.
Yes. You'll find out after though, because you might be cheating.
Ubani?
Wena.
Wazela sis.
Kini uyazibona uyichama andiqondi kahle.
Yeah, uyamanda baby.
Hayi mina angimthembi kodwa mina ngoba ngiyakwazi umuntu wami. Yeah, ngiyakuthemba.
Okay. Anyway, you were never going to trust a stranger, my scut. Just come closer. I'm burning so much. Okay, can I stand in between you, ne? So, yeah, come on my right, love. Okay, name? Just come closer a bit. Name?
My name is Nelly Ngobese.
Okay, so Nelly, ne?
Yeah.
All right, and?
My name is Troy.
Troy.
Yeah, I'm a musician, I'm an artist, I do music, and I do filming as well. I'm into that section.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Collaborated with a couple of name brands, not to mention anyone, but I'm out here.
Okay, you're out here. You're doing well for yourself. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, how long have you been with Nelly?
With I'm about like 8 months.
8 months.
Yeah, about 8 months. It's been a good 8 months.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
A good 8
It's been a
months.
great 8
Emphasis
months.
on the good.
Yeah.
Nelly, do you agree with him? Has it been a good
Yeah.
8 months?
Yeah.
Okay. Where did he meet you?
Mm.
It was love at first sight.
That was not my question. My
I
question.
know.
Okay.
But I'm saying.
Okay, just putting it out there.
Yeah.
Okay, Nelly, where did you guys meet?
So,
I know, 8 months ago.
8 months, yeah.
Club, restaurant, mall, street.
Restaurant, even emaboneng.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where in Maboneng?
Mm.
Pata Pata.
Pata pata. Yes.
Let me say Pata Pata. Was it Pata Pata?
I swear that.
Where was it?
Pata. This McDonald's. This McDonald's.
Is there McDonald's in Maboneng?
This McDonald's.
In Braamfontein?
Yes.
Why don't you guys know where you guys met?
Cha mina ngazi yena manje uyasaba yabo angazi noma ubona wena.
No, ukuthi sisiyabona ama-questions amaningi now uyabona so manje nje ish.
I think she's stressed and she's wondering what we're doing here, actually. You'll find out soon, my scat.
I'm wondering.
Okay, but what is it that you like about Troy then? Nelly, there has to be something you like about your man.
Yeah.
The drip, height, complexion, his face.
Even body.
Okay, mhm.
Body yakhe. Mayakakhuluma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nginaleyo that thing yabo nje.
Uyangichaza.
Uyangichaza. Even nje uyangihlonipha nje. Ungiphi isithunzi kwamanye amantombazane. Yeah.
Siwantama.
Okay, what is it?
baby,
I see. What is it that you like about her?
Well, I like that she respects me, first of all, as well. The loyalty. I like her structure, the way she is, posture. I like her personality, and I like her smile.
Okay.
Yeah,
By
definitely.
posture, so she doesn't slouch like us.
No.
She's-
Why
what
are you
is-
bigger? Why are you bigger? I just like her. The way you see the way I said it. That's
Yeah.
the way it is. I like
Okay.
you the way you are, Mama.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's the
sir.
way I like it.
Nelly, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust Troy?
Yo, ngithema kakhulu.
Please don't give him a 10.
So nje ikuthi ngoba yazi
My sister.
ayikho into eke yangiphoqa yabo ayikho into eke yangiphoqa for kuye yabo sonke isikhathi even nje masibondile nje sihlezi si right
Yeah.
yabo nje asikaze nje kuthiwa mhlawumbe sesiyaxabana even nakuma calls sibonelana akaze kuthiwa ngimthole efonini yabo leyo nto leyo
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. What about you, Troy? But I want you to actually rate her.
Me? She's a solid 9.
9.
Yeah, solid
Leaving
9.
one for
You
disappointment.
have to. You just have to.
Leaving
as a
one for
person, you know what I mean?
disappointment.
For myself, I have
Okay.
to leave that 1.
Okay.
But she's a 9 out of 10.
Okay. Guys, let me tell you what we actually do on this show so that you... Hello! So that you guys can actually leave and go about your business, right? What we do on this show is that we make couples switch phones, okay? So guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. You're basically checking if your partner is cheating on you.
My phone saying kuphi manje.
That's the only way to find out if your partner's cheating or not.
Mama ungathi uhambe naye nje nibaleke naye ifoni yami kuzoba njani.
Do I look like I steal phones?
I don't know. So themba ku. Sazi ngani.
Nami nje angikwazi ukunikeza umuntu engingamazi ifoni yami engimbone
Guys, is it about that or you guys are scared to give each other your guys' cell phones?
Cha wena
Are
singanika
you
wena
scared?
kanjani.
Are you scared?
No.
You're not gonna give me the phones. You guys are gonna switch phones between the both of you.
Okay.
So you're gonna take your phone, you're gonna give it to your man. You're gonna take your phone and you're gonna give it to your girl. Period. You don't like.
Uthini so?
Do we have a problem?
Nikeze yami anginandaba.
Okay.
Asiqali ngeyakhe.
Okay.
Asiqali ngeyakhe.
Nelly, let's start with yours. Oh. I need to okay. Is it open, Nelly? Passcode, passwords?
Sandwa sami lesi password yazi yini yabo.
Okay. Excuse me. Excuse moi.
Okay. Awufuna
That's
senze
a very
njani?
long password. Nelly, go to her WhatsApp, please.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, type love you.
Love.
Okay, that's you, right?
Vela mina.
Usithembile, Troy.
Vela mina.
Usithembile, Troy.
Awu.
Okay, delete.
Ndoda okunye?
Type miss you.
Miss you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bonela-ke nawe
Yeah.
swami
Go
ukuthi
clean, go clean.
ngithi
It's fine, delete.
indoda emadodeni.
Type babe. Indoda emadodeni ayitshitela ke. Utsho. Okay, okay, clean. Okay, okay. Let's not get excited.
Good, yeah.
Delete, type outside.
Okay.
Let's see who's fetching her.
Cha phela ulandwa yimi pho. Ngaphinda landwa I'm excited.
Gracias. Okay, clean. Okay. I don't like that smirk on your face. Sarah, delete.
Yimi phela. Yimi phela.
Last night.
Last night. Ngathi sekukuningi nje siswami.
We have to know. You never know.
Last night.
Okay, clean. Okay, okay. Delete, type pregnant. Oh, yetona nix. Okay, delete. Type meaty.
Meaty.
Mithi.
Meaty.
Nothing. Delete, type test.
Yo.
Pregnancy test, HIV test.
Yabona la. Hey. It's HIV test.
You've tested.
Angithi uyasitesta nawe.
I can't deal. Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, fine.
Uyabona ukuthi she's all about me.
Okay,
Yabona
fine.
love.
Ish. You can take your phone, mommy.
My love. So
Your turn.
isikhathi sami. Angazi ngitsine nebhetri lincane yazi.
Troy, you're shaking.
Ngashika. Mina ngashika mina.
Yeah, tatazela, in fact.
Asiqale kanje.
Nelly, yembona uyashake?
Hey, why?
Jongile uzo-delete.
Yazi password now.
You were fine this whole time. Now all of a sudden you're shaking.
I'm not shaking.
You are. Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type love you. Okay, yeah, nothing dodgy. Okay, delete that. Type miss you. Okay, okay, still clean. Delete that. Type outside.
Kodwa sezosheshisa ke lento siza.
Wasn't that stress? Are you worried?
Cha,
About him.
60 seconds. 60 seconds.
Go into the chat. Who's Tembi?
About
Ubani?
him.
Tembi.
uThembi umngani wami uThembi. Siyazwana sonke nje sabangani.
Okay. Outside, it's fine. You're fetching her. Still nothing dodgy. Go into the chat. Kuyaflethwa nje apha Troy sibona izinto apha.
Hayibo, pho manje uThembi nibhalelana naye oHathi.
Awu umngani wami angithi. Na umngani wakho uma uthi uyamthanda. Ngiyamthanda.
oHathi abangaka pho.
Ungamthanda umngani wami.
Absolutely not.
Ngithi scroll. Baze bathatha even ngisho nango-12 ebusuku.
Bekuyibirthday yakhe ngithi.
Ngo-12 ebusuku kodwa mina okwazi ungibhalele ngo-12 ungitshela ukuthi-ke neke ungibhalele labo Hathi lapho
Oh.
ngo-12.
Do you want to call Utembi, Nelly?
No.
You want to call her?
Now my sister ngathi ucala.
You don't want to call her to make sure?
Ngimfonele.
Simfonelana ngithi angithe.
Okay, if you don't want to call.
No, asimfonele ngizokwazi iqiniso.
Okay. Okay, girl. Are you stressed? Hey, Sean? You're Troy. I've did Sean go? Troy?
When relationship yakho
I said I'm single.
why are you singing?
Because I'm like this. The junkie phones are bad. What difference was it going to make if I was taken or not? You still cheated. Hi, can I please speak to Tembi?
Hello.
Hello.
Alright.
Yeah, wena.
Ngiyashapha. Uyamazi uTroy?
Yeah.
Uyini naye? Umuntu wakho. Ngiqale nini ukuthandana?
No, man.
Hayibo. Babazana, umuntu wami nje.
Thembi.
Hayibo kusho ukuthi wami nawe.
Hayibo. Ngicela ukubuza
Thembi
kwenzakala.
kusukela nini Thembi? Hayibo le ndaba lena uyangixaka kancane maye Thembi. Mina ngazi usabangani masuthi siyajola.
Hayibo. Nkulunkulu wami.
Did you know we only learn together?
Hayibo. Uthini wena?
Thembi.
Cima ifoni. Ngicela ucima ifoni cause iqiniso lonke manje ngisilima la. Ngicela ucima ifoni mfethu.
My sister, uyayibona
Yindaba-
into esiyenzile my sister.
Asozibe ndim, Troy.
Yeah,
It can,
boy,
Troy, it
yeah.
can never be me.
My
You
sister,
can't.
uyayibona into oyenzile.
Dim? It's me.
Besihambela kahle asithi.
But you cheated. I didn't tell you to cheat. I didn't send you to cheat. So, are you going to stay with him?
Yeah. But
Oh. Oh.
but ngiyabonga ukuthi ekugcineni ngikwazi ukuthi ngaziqinisa. No, masukungibiza ngobhebi wakho. Yindaba ungenze isilimo isikhathi eside na. 8 months yonke.
Uthembi mfethu sabangani kuphela.
Kanjani?
Ayikho into esihlanganisile. Ayikho into esihlanganisile.
Yabona lento
Uyazi ngithanda
ngitshenayo
wena
uyangidakela
kuphela.
ungiyekela masungikhaphela.
Uyazi ngithanda wena kuphela.
Hawu, ungaze unginyanyisa. Yo. Yazi.
Yo.
Yeah, ngaze ngashiselwa. Ungiyekela ngicela
Why are
ungiyekela.
you dating with Tembi as well on the side?
My sister yazi
Is there something missing? Is there something missing in Nunel that you get good Tembi?
Ungasangibiza ngobhebi, ungasangibiza ngobhebi.
Why not? You staying? I mean, you're staying with him.
Ungenza isilima.
Yeah, but you're staying.
Angisamfuni even kusukela manje. Angimfuni.
Okay.
Angithandi umuntu ongenza isilima. Why bangangitsheni sonke leso sikhathi lesi?
Kodwa uyazi ukuthi ubuye unganginaki nawe.
Angikunaki makwenze njani?
Ubuye unganginaki.
So Tembi has time for you.
Okay.
Uthembi sabangani? Uthembi uyakwazi ukuthi angenzele isikhathi yabo.
Kwenzela isikhathi sokuthi uspende naye, ukhulume naye ngo-12 ebusuku. Mina ngithi ngilele
Wena
wena
ngithi
ukwazi ukukhuluma naye.
mawuthi wena ubuye emsebenzini sukuthi ukhathele mangithi mina baby ngicela sisibonde sike isikhathilishe senze izinto zethu wena ungitshela ukuthi ukhathele langelide ini kumele upheke kwasha kwacima. Come on babe like
Okay. Uyilokho kwenza ukuthi ungishithele.
akusisona isizathu sabangani sinothi.
Yo.
Uzokwazi kanjani ukungi-understand emshadweni mawuhluleka ukungi-understand sesemanje sisajola.
Sithi ngikuchazele.
Ungangibambi, ungangibambi.
Simbamba, simbamba.
Singibamba.
My sister sewuwe futhi manje uthola naye.
Chaza.
Yo Nkosi yami.
I'm a girl's girl. I'm protecting her.
Bafo wena ufunani la?
Yo.
Yazi. Yazi ukuthi
Yabona my sister yabona.
uyanginika.
Nalesikhwama siyadukura ngisengile yazi malini lesikhwama.
Oh, wow, I'm sorry. No, I apologize.
Ungangibizi ngobhebi.
Angeke
Ungangibizi nje ngobhebi.
bekuyiphutha
Iphutha
kwenzeke kanye
Akuseliphutha. 3 months yonke iphutha.
kwenzeke kanye kuphela just once.
3 months
Oh.
yonke.
It happened just once babe
Yazi.
and it was a mistake.
Yabo kusukela namhlanje. Okwami nawe kuphelile. Ungaphinde uthi nini. Yes, ngiqedile nawe.
My sister yayibona into yenzayo.
Troy, you can leave.
Uzohamba kanjani?
You can. I will get a transport.
Ngizo-request kumele ngi-request.
We'll request for her. You can go, please.
Yes, my sister. Shit.
Oh, my God, just stand on the side ne, for me. Just, I'll Uber you. Do you need transport?
Yeah.
Okay, just stand on the side. I'll Uber you. Uselapho, why are you still here?
My sister.
Dlamini, please intervene.
Ngicela ungiyekele. Angifuni ukukhuluma nawe.
Kaka kodwa wena
Okay, Dlamini miyeke. Dlamini, leave him. Ungene emnyango.
Nkosi yami. Hayi.
Neshuva zakho ila.
But trust Dlamini thina siyamosha sishiya abantu beyimesi, and I feel like if the guy is not violent and the woman clearly wants to stay because she does want to stay. Did you hear her initial response?
I did, but I think uphendula kwakhe kanjalo, she did not understand your question.
Really?
Yeah. Yes. Clearly she does not want to stay. But kube naleyo nto leyo and I blame you for that.
What? Why do you blame me?
I think le kumele ngisho off screen, le kumele ngikhulume nawe off screen. Yabo. But again, I think she misunderstood your question. That's why I turned for ukuhlala.
Sounds like she doesn't understand English.
Let's not go there. But
She does understand English, miss.
sizilungisa mina nawe.
Can we close the show? I'm tired.
I want to ask you something, just one question, then we close. I didn't mind. The last time I saw you, the last time we spoke, you told me about remember we spoke about you and...
What? Oh,
So how is it going?
I ghosted him.
You ghosted him after lying to him?
He'll be okay. He only knew me for 48 hours. Or
So
3 days.
Ghosting him doesn't mean awusakhulumi naye.
Yeah, I just stopped responding to his stuff and calls.
Eshu.
Yeah. Because my ex with money came back. And I don't have to explain myself. He knows I like money.
So the ex with money came back. Wamthatha.
I'm thinking about it.
So you're still thinking about it?
Yeah.
Akusukuthi usumthathile. But you know ukuthi uzomthatha.
Probably.
Lisa.
What? Why are you judging me here?
I'm not judging you, but there's something that you don't see or don't realize ukuthi. Uyabona khona manje ubhizi na bayafika bayahamba.
Because I want...
bayabuya abanye. Angithi bayabuya, others are coming back, bafike futhi bamoshe and then they go. Umuntu osolokhe khona uyi-one.
Who is you?
Yabonga, thank you.
But hawuna mali njena.
That's the thing. At the end you realize ukuthi imali is just imali. But
Money...
uthando that welcome has for you, it's more than inyego. I've said my piece. Thank you.
Are you done?
Yes, man.
Hey.
Uzawuqinela.
Khang ndicela 3,000 rand Dlamini nje kwispa. eSaxon, eStainsett.
Sexy.
eSaxon, eStainsett. The cheapest massage is 2K at least. They don't know 3K.
Man, let me understand. Ufuna 3K.
Yes.
Ukuye esexini. Kwenziwani esexini?
Spa treatments.
Laba bakwenza khona kanje. So it's 3,000. Ukuthi bakwenza kanje kuphela.
Azondinika le mali.
You don't even have to ask. Ngoba ngeke vele. Hayi 3,000. Phinda ungamnika 3,000 lezi. Ngeke. Hayi khosa mfana hey.
Why not?
Ngamane uye Tai Chi, but le yabona yamachani 250.
Oh, absolutely not. Anyway, Dlamini, it's fine. Awuzonika le 3,000. Yeke uzibala ke kwi-options zami zamadoda.
Ngeke ngazibali.
Kufuneka yeke uzibala, ziyeke uzibala.
No, into engithandayo ukuthi masakubheda ubuzokhala kimi.
But no, I
And I will
don't.
be the shoulder to cry on.
No, I don't.
Okay, how did I know ukuthi sekubhedile manje?
You asked me now on camera.
Kube bungafuna ungitshela bungeke uzungitshela. Uyangitshela because you want me to know.
I'm not crying
And
on
stand
you.
my ground, and I will stand my ground until. Oh, there's something we did the last time, ne? I kissed you on the cheek. And abantu, they loved it. That's my deal. So now, ngithi mina, abantu nje wabethanda lento yala ehlathini. How much more emlonyeni? Kuzoba njani?
Are you okay?
Let me take out my head. Ngithi kumele ume kanje.
Dlamini, leave me alone. That's never gonna happen.
Okay, face this side again.
And phone?
Ufuna ukusha ngeside.
No.
Asiyenze lisa kayi-1.
You're crying about 300 rand. Now I need 3,000 rand.
Sona njalo mangikhuluma nami hayi ngcono sanda.
Yes, kiss imali ndiyayithengisa. Ndiyayithengisa le kiss. Ndiyayithengisa le kiss Dlamini.
Okay, ayisambeni.
Ndiyayithengisa.
Okay.
Yes, ladies, uyabona mhlangothi xa ungayifuni indoda icela imali, he will flee. Shun the devil, he will flee.
And I'm fleeing.
All right, MTV viewers, do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ Follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok. Just type Lisa Sirame, you'll find me. I'm not even active because I don't have a phone, but I should be back soon. Fantengelwe iphone uDlamini, iPhone 17.
Instagram, welcome Dlamini, welcome _ Dlamini 88. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. On Facebook, welcome Dlamini. And so, phone.
Bye, guys. Oh.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi Yaseqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale chino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esingakanani njena nokama?
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.